as you're learning the model, it feels good when people are calm and cooperative.
Mm-hmm.
But the irony is, Joanne Marie, being uncomfortable probably means we're working the triangle from the outside, from the periphery. I hope everybody's writing that one down. Being uncomfortable means you're working the triangle from the outside, from the periphery. And so, you know, we get trained in academia. If you're perfect, you don't have to be uncomfortable, Amy. I thank you for the head nod. I appreciate you. Systemic family therapy, we go, oh no, being uncomfortable means that you're sitting next to a distressed system and helping them change the way they're structured.